आंखों में आंखें डालकर तू छीन सकता है जिंदगी, चल छीन ले। तुझ में है जो वो नहीं है और में, इस बात पर है अजनबी, कर यकीन ले। जो है नहीं दूसरी को सच है मानता, तू उसको ही खुद से बड़ा है जानता। तू नहीं किसी और से, तू खुद से ही भयभीत है। चल अपने डर को तू डरा, से डर के आगे जीत है। Let's fight, fight with pride. Come on, fight, fight with pride. Fight, 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 fight.
आस्था, वेट आस्था, यार नेक्स्ट पार्टिसिपेंट कहाँ रह गए? 5 मिनट बाकी है नेक्स्ट एक्ट में यार।
5-10 मिनट्स में लोग स्टेज पे आ जाएंगे तो एक काम के सिर्फ अनाउंस कर दे, वरना ऑडियंस रेस्टलेस हो जाएंगे प्लीज।
आस्था लिसन, आस्था यार, मैं कैसे जाऊंगा यार? मैं नहीं जा सकता यार, तू चली जा प्लीज।
विशाल बहुत काम पड़ा है यार यहाँ पे, मुझे दूसरे परफॉर्मर्स के साथ भी कोऑर्डिनेट करना है। प्लीज तू जा, कोई ऑप्शन नहीं है प्लीज।
दो एकम,
दो,
दो दूनी,
चार,
दो तिया,
6,
दो चौके,
8,
दो पंजे,
10।
10। शाबाश। शाबाश। चलो अब बहुत थक गए, अभी सोते हैं। आ जाओ।
Right from my childhood, I had a very good memory, and mathematics was my favorite subject. Even at the age of 5, I could count tables from 1 to 10. I was studying in a village primary school. Facilities were not too good. My father also did not have much resources, but then he wanted me to have a good education and a good future. So he sent me to his sister in Kanpur. She got me admitted into English medium school over there.
So students,
Today I will tell you about the 7 wonders of the world. We have Pyramid of Giza, Great Wall of China, and our own Taj Mahal in India. So, can you tell me which wonder is from India?
For me, the biggest wonder of the world was English language. I had no exposure to English before joining this school. Never heard, never spoken, not even ABCD. So I couldn't understand a word what teacher was saying in the class. I kept mum. But when maths class came, I felt a bit relieved.
Okay. So let's see. Who remembers yesterday's class? Who will tell the table of 6? Vishal, come.
6 एकम 6 6 दूनी 12 6 तिया
18. That laughter still echoes in my mind. My classmates started making fun of my accent, my rural background.
6 एकम 6 6 दूनी 12 6 तिया 18.
That incident left a deep scar in my mind. I became too self-conscious and feared speaking in front of the class. What would they think of me? Would this lead to another round of barbed jokes? Ridicule? On occasions when I had to speak in the class, fear of shame and embarrassment gripped me beforehand. I could never be the same again. Even maths class didn't help.
Q.
I started avoiding such classes where students had to speak in the class, speak to the class, or present something. I stopped interacting with my classmates and kept my own company. I had withdrawn into my own shell from where there seemed to be no escaping.
Excellent. Excellent work, boys. Vishal, here he is. Come, come. Come, guys. Among all the submissions, Vishal's submission is the best.
Thank you, sir.
Vishal, why don't you demonstrate the same to the others?
Placement interviews, I had to take part in group discussions, face interviews. I realized to get a good job, technical knowledge in itself won't suffice. One has to have good communication skills, be presentable, and a good manager to succeed at work. I had to do something to overcome my stage fright, and I decided to meet a psychiatrist.
Stage fright is a very common fear faced by a lot of people. Even very successful people have stage fright. What causes stage fright? I would say a little bit of nature. By nature, I mean our brain biology. We have neural circuitry that controls our thinking, our feelings, our emotions. This neural circuitry is designed by our genetic code. And this partly is responsible. And partly we have the upbringing of a person, the environmental circumstances that shape his personality, which are responsible for stage fright. Many people seek treatment for stage fright. They're treated with medicines and psychotherapy, and almost most people improve with help. Coming to Vishal's case, he had very, very low self-esteem, and he had exaggerated fears in his mind, and he was always very tensed, and he was very inhibited and caught up. This boy had a flair for narration. He was so fond of stories. He romanticized life in the form of stories. So we encouraged him to do small narrations in front of small groups of people where he felt comfortable.
घास नहीं, जिंदगी की घास खोदने में जुटे हम, जब कभी चौंक कर घास, घाम और खुरपा तीनों भुला देते हैं, तभी प्यार का जन्म होता है। जिंदगी की घास खोदने में जुटे हम, जब कभी चौंक कर घास, घाम और खुरपा तीनों भुला देते हैं।
Somebody had told me
तभी प्यार का
Steve Jobs used to rehearse weeks before giving his famous presentations.
जिंदगी की घास खोदने में जुटे हम, जब
John
कभी
Lennon
घास,
used to
घाम
puke
और
backstage
खुरपा
before giving every
तीनों
performance,
भुला
but
देते
still
हैं,
gave electrifying
तभी प्यार का
performances.
जन्म होता है।
I too
हमारे
wanted
नायक
to
का
talk
नाम
to people
डीडी
from
है,
the stage,
जिसे उसके दोस्त
give
मजाकिया तौर
presentations to
पर
group,
डीडी द मूडी भी कहते हैं,
deliver a speech
क्योंकि
before an audience.
मूड का एक छोर
Yes.
से दूसरे छोर तक
It was the time
अचानक
to
से
face
चले
my
जाना
fear head on.
उसे अपनी संवेदनशीलता
Based on
का
doctor's
प्रतीक
advice,
करता है।
I started with narrating my favorite stories to the mirror and then slowly graduated to
और
telling
अपने
stories
नाम
to my close friends.
सार्थक करने में पूरा यकीन रखती है। कुछ दिन पहले क्रिकेट खेलने में उसके दाएं हाथ की सबसे छोटी उंगली टूट गई थी, जो आजकल मुड़ी रहती है, और घर का कोई काम भी करती तो वो घर वालों से इतनी बार उस काम के लिए पूछती कि घर वाले तंग होके कहते छी हो, इससे अच्छे तो तू हमें ही काम करने दिया कर।
When I used to tell stories, I never thought about audience opinions, never thought about my action. I simply became one with stories. My friends were never judgmental about me. That gave me a bit of a confidence. But I was absolutely not ready for what doctor asked me to do next.
He romanticized life in the form of stories. So we encouraged him to do small narrations in front of small groups of people where he felt comfortable.
नहीं, घास नहीं, जिंदगी की घास खोदने में जुटे हम, जब कभी चौंक कर घास, घाम और खुरपा तीनों भुला देते हैं, तभी प्यार का जन्म होता है। जिंदगी की घास खोदने में जुटे हम, जब कभी चौंक कर घास, घाम और खुरपा तीनों भुला देते हैं।
Somebody had told me
तभी प्यार का
Steve Jobs used to rehearse weeks before giving his famous presentations.
जिंदगी की घास खोदने में जुटे हम, जब
John
कभी
Lennon
घास,
used to
घाम
puke
और
backstage
खुरपा
before giving every
तीनों
performance,
भुला
but
देते
still
हैं,
gave electrifying
तभी प्यार का
performances.
जन्म होता है।
I too
हमारे
wanted
नायक
to
का
talk
नाम
to people
डीडी
from
है,
the stage,
जिसे उसके दोस्त
give
मजाकिया तौर
presentations to
पर
group,
डीडी द मूडी भी कहते हैं,
deliver a speech
क्योंकि
before an audience.
मूड का एक छोर
Yes.
से दूसरे छोर तक
It was the time
अचानक
to
से
face
चले
my
जाना
fear head on.
उसे अपनी संवेदनशीलता
Based on
का
doctor's
प्रतीक
advice,
करता है।
I started with narrating my favorite stories to the mirror and then slowly graduated to
और
telling
अपने
stories
नाम
to my close friends.
सार्थक करने में पूरा यकीन रखती है। कुछ दिन पहले क्रिकेट खेलने में उसके दाएं हाथ की सबसे छोटी उंगली टूट गई थी, जो आजकल मुड़ी रहती है, और घर का कोई काम भी करती तो वो घर वालों से इतनी बार उस काम के लिए पूछती कि घर वाले तंग होके कहते छी हो, इससे अच्छे तो तू हमें ही काम करने दिया कर।
When I used to tell stories, I never thought about audience opinions, never thought about my action. I simply became one with stories. My friends were never judgmental about me. That gave me a bit of a confidence. But I was absolutely not ready for what doctor asked me to do next. So organize-
हाय।
We asked Vishal to go to a party where everybody was dressed very well in his pajamas, in his night suit. And we said, okay, let us get comfortable with disapproval of people. How really bad is it?
I could see the shock and disbelief on the faces of my colleagues. Will I be ridiculed again? In my mind, I had already given up. But then I was greeted with whistles and cheers.
अगली बार हम लोग कुर्ते पजामे वाली पार्टी
For them, it was a cool thing. They said, "विशाल, तू तो एकदम ट्रेंड सेटर है यार. अब हम भी पैजामा पार्टी करें." I felt liberated, but the stage fright was still there. Our college annual fest was coming up. On doctor's advice, I became a part of the organizing committee. And soon a day came which literally moved the ground beneath my feet. You know, stage triggered panic attack, and it hit me with full force. Crowd looked intimidating. I couldn't say a word.
हम बहुत डर गए थे और डर के मारे हम भाग भी तो गए थे, बड़ी हिम्मत जुटाकर आए हैं। क्यों आए? हाँ, आप सबको ये बताने कि अगले पार्टिसिपेंट कतार में हैं। आप लोग अपना धैर्य कृपया इसी प्रकार बनाए रखें। आपको हुई असुविधा के लिए हमें खेद है।
Audience loved the way I made announcement in Hindi with thick North Indian accent. They thought I did it on purpose. That I was sent as a filler to do some kind of comedy before next participant arrived. I had managed to address crowd from front. I had passed in this public speaking test.
धन्यवाद।
Lao Tzu, a Chinese philosopher, said, "Stop trying to leave and you will arrive. Stop seeking and you will see. Stop running away and you will be found." This was the biggest test of my life. मुझे लगता है जब आप डर के काफी करीब होते हैं तब आप खुद से काफी सच्चे भी हो जाते हैं। In my moment of truth, I spoke in Hindi. Talking in English never crossed my mind. And I believe when you're true to yourself, the audience starts accepting you, starts loving you.
Audience acceptance was like therapy for him. That one moment of applause liberated him of all his deep-rooted childhood traumas. He no longer feared public opinion. He no longer felt ashamed of not being fluent in Hindi. In fact, when he spoke in Hindi, the audience felt far more connected. He was a lot more rooted, and he was much appreciated in his Hindi dialogue.
इंडिया की बात कर रहे थे तो अचानक से स्टार्टअप, आई थॉट ऑफ स्टार्टअप. लेट्स टॉक अबाउट इट.
After this one episode, he overcame his fear of public speaking. And after that, I think he gave many more stand-up comedies, narrations, and he was much appreciated.
All the guys who are laughing right now, they have a startup idea. Big secret.
How do we get over this fear?
And all the
One is
girls
change one's perspective
who are
about
laughing, they
oneself.
are-
We do it by attempting to do things first, doing seemingly absurd things in public which will draw attention towards us and make us just loosen up. I always recommend theatre. By enacting a character on stage, you journey towards your inner self and get over your stage fright.
Over the years, I learnt English too. I also got selected in the very first round of college placements. Now, I work in an auto industry. Whether it's a friend's birthday party, office annual function,
Like every
no party is complete without my stand-up. In the process of overcoming the stage fright, I have learned something. On the other side of fear lies freedom.
मैंने एक भयानक सपना देखा कि कैसे कैसे टेक्नोलॉजी के राक्षस ने मुझे मारने की कोशिश की.
टेक्नोलॉजी के राक्षस ने आपको मारने की कोशिश की? ये आप क्या बोल रहे हैं बाबूजी?
मैं बिल्कुल सच कह रहा हूँ बेटा. मैंने सपना देखा कि बहू ने मुझे चाय दी. वो चाय जो माइक्रोवेव में गर्म की हुई थी. जब वो चाय मैंने पी तो मेरा गला जलने लगा और मुझे खून की उल्टी हो गई.
बाबूजी, आपने बस एक बुरा सपना देखा है और कुछ नहीं. इसमें टेक्नोलॉजी से डरने की कोई जरूरत नहीं है.
जरूरत है.
मौत की आंखों में आंखें डालकर तू छीन सकता है जिंदगी. चल छीन ले. तुझ में है जो वो नहीं है और में. इस बात पर है अजनबी. कर यकीन ले. चल अपने डर को तू डरा से डर के आगे जीत है.